Hello, I'm Suzanne Donovan. Today I'm joined by Rachel Heideck. We're going to be discussing organizing around health and safety in the context of the current COVID-19 pandemic and ways to make positive change in your workplace for you and your coworkers.
I'm Rachel, and we're going to be talking about an example of workers organizing to make their workplace safer during COVID-19. This video will discuss how McDonald's workers at two service plazas on I-95 in Connecticut have been organizing for safer working conditions after two of their coworkers got sick with COVID-19 in April. After their employer learned of these cases, they left both McDonald's locations, one in Milford, Connecticut at a service plaza, and one in Darien, Connecticut, also a McDonald's, both open and improperly sanitized. They simply replaced the shifts that had been working and then were sent home because of the cases with a different group of new workers without sanitizing the workplace in between. To respond and demand proper cleaning from their employers, the workers in Darien and Milford staged car caravan protests on April 14th. Then on May 21st, the Darien location held a second car caravan. In addition to insufficient disinfection practices, they were protesting low wages and a lack of paid sick days, both of which make it hard for the workers to stay home when they're sick. You can go to the next slide. So there are a few things that we can take away from these actions pulled off by the workers at the McDonald's at these service centers in Connecticut. For one, they were really strategic. They coordinated car caravans on the same day at the same franchise company, McDonald's, at locations run by the same service plaza operator. They also drew attention to their situation very effectively, in part because they joined together and worked with 32BJ SEIU, which is the union that they were already working with, to garner a lot of media attention and other support. By organizing this action, they also strengthened their worker power as well as community solidarity around their issue, which will help as they go forward into future campaigns. Lastly, this whole situation serves as an example of how properly disinfecting workplaces after COVID cases is an issue that can be organized around, and also something that will continue to be an issue as more states reopen. So if you want to improve the conditions of your workplace during COVID-19 and always, here are some initial steps that you can take. You can talk to your coworkers about improving these working conditions and concerns. You can discuss concrete changes to improve the workplace. Another good step is to evaluate resources, including organizational assets, customers, clientele, community partners, media, and employer-employee relations. Developing concrete goals that would lead to the changes you want is also a good step, as well as developing a plan, including tactics and methods to achieve those goals.
If you have questions about any of the things that we've discussed in this video or would like to start organizing in your workplace, you can contact us at 716-206-3550, which is our hotline and is available in 14 languages. You can also contact us via email at inquiry@winkosh.org, and we're happy to answer any questions you have about your workplace and your rights.